Hey, I'm Natalie. I'm a former teacher and founder of Primary Focus. I'm going to show you why I love Taylor Ed. When I was in the classroom, I used a lot of online learning programs, but not to their fullest extent. After a long day of teaching, it was just too much for me to log into multiple websites to see the data from how my students were performing. It was really frustrating, and all that data just became a burden to me. It was all just too much, and ultimately one of the reasons why I burned out. But then I learned about Taylor Ed. With Taylor Ed, you can have all of your student data in one place. Whether it's their literacy grades and assignments, or their progress on a math online program, it's all there for you. Some schools track private information on spreadsheets, putting themselves at risk. With Taylor Ed, all users log in using accounts backed by Google's security. With Taylor Ed, there's no need to keep logging in and out of sites. You can do it all right here. Let me show you. The Insights page is where all the time saving starts. Just pick out one of your students, and it will show you how they're doing across learning platforms. Everything is migrated right here, so you don't need to be logging into different sites. I can see this student here has already gone above and beyond and finished his week's goals. But when we meet in small group, we might need to take a minute to go over multi-syllable words. This child here hasn't quite finished yet, and I'm wondering if she needs a hand with some sight words to help meet her goal for the week. It gets better though. Since all of your information is migrated, you can go into the groups page, select the app you want in your class, come down and just sort it all by skill. Boom, small groups are already formed. I can see these two friends here are working on beginning sounds, and it even tells me exactly which letters they need support with. This means they won't need a one-on-one test from me, and I can get straight to work in the small group. As they get better, hopefully I'll see some of these letters start to disappear, and they'll move up to the next skill needed. Now, if you're an administrator, the Mastery page will give you access to how the whole school is performing. If I want to see how one class did on a specific test, I can come down here, I can select the standard, and wow, now I can see that this teacher might be doing a little bit of reteaching or a follow-up quiz soon, but the students are well on their way to mastering. Taylor Ed removes the burden of managing data from across platforms. They'll take care of the data so you can get your time back to teach. Give Taylor Ed a try today.